all-purpose flour 1 cup. This is powdered sugar half cup. This is chocolate. I have used Amul chocolate here. If you want, you can also use dairy milk. This is cocoa powder 4 tablespoons. This is milk maid half cup. This is unsalted butter or homemade butter. This is vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. This is baking powder 1 teaspoon. This is melted chocolate. This is hot water as needed. Next, take a container, add some water in it and let it boil. As you can see, the water has started boiling. Place a container on top of it and add the chocolates in it. And start mixing it till it gets melted. As you can see, the chocolate has started melting. Add butter. And start mixing it again. As you can see, the chocolate has melted. Now you can switch off the gas. As you can see, the chocolate has melted. Now you can see the texture. All the dry ingredients. Add powdered sugar. First, take only half of the powdered sugar you have taken and see all in it. Now add cocoa powder. Now add baking powder. The dry ingredients. I have added milk maid and vanilla essence. Now mix them and add warm water gradually. Now we will add the melted chocolate in it. Look at the color of the batter. It has totally turned into dark. I have added the other portion of milk maid in it because my batter was a little bitter. And your consistency should be like this. Now I have added some salt and a stand in the cooker. Now we will preheat the cooker. I have the flame in medium. Close the lid and bake it for 10 to 12 minutes. Now keep the flame between in mid and high. Now add some butter on the sides of the mold. I have applied the butter on the molds. Keep the molds in the freezer for 5 minutes. Take the molds out from the freezer. Now add some maida in the molds. Now sprinkle it or tap it. Now fill half of the molds with batter. Now, after placing the batter in it, tap it to remove all the bubbles in the batter. Now place the plate inside the cooker and place all the molds in the plate. The cake is ready after 12 minutes. Now we will demold it. After demolding, we will start the decoration. And you can see the lava has come out and my first attempt is successful. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you like my video, press the like button, comment below and share the video. Jai Jinendra, thank you. Bye friends.